How to stitch on TikTok with a saved video. So if you want to stitch on TikTok, then first of all you have to open up your TikTok application. And here, after opening your TikTok, now you can simply go to the bottom middle side which has the plus icon. Simply tap on the plus icon, and from here you can simply record a video, or you can also upload it from your gallery. And here, after recording, now you can simply tap on the tick icon which is on the bottom right side. And after creating your video, now you can simply tap on next, which is on the bottom right side. And here you will have more options, and here make sure that you have allowed the comments, duet and stitch. Make sure to turn all that on, and after that you can go to everyone can view this post. So you have to simply tap on that, and then you have to tap on only you, so that only you can view this post. And after that you can simply tap on post, which is on the bottom right corner. Now after posting, you can go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can go to the logged icon, which is on the third option, and here you will have your post that only you can see, and you have to simply tap on the post, and here you will have that post that you have recently posted, right? So you can simply go to the bottom right corner which has the three dots icon, and then here you will have stitch option. Simply tap on stitch, and then choose the part of the video that you would like to select as a stitch, and after that you can simply tap on next, which is on the upper right corner. And from here you can record your video. So I'll be just recording. So make sure you have to record for at least more than 3 seconds. And after recording, now you can simply tap on the tick icon which is on the bottom right side. And that's it. Now you have your video with the stitched part in it. So that's it. And now tap on next, which is on the bottom right corner. And then you can add a caption, and after adding the caption you can simply post your video by simply tapping on post, which is on the bottom right corner. And that's it. Now to see that, you can simply go to your profile, which is on the bottom right corner, and then you can see your post here. So that's it. That's how you use stitch on TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.